representative organ of the United Nations.
I call on all states to commit to the equal application of the law at both the national and international levels. There should be no selectivity in applying resolutions, decisions, and laws. We cannot allow political self-interest to undermine justice. Second, I call on heads of state and government to uphold the highest standards of the rule of law in their decision-making at all times. The rule of law must be the foundation for every government action.
I welcome.
In the early years of the United Nations, there was stronger adherence to the compulsory jurisdiction of the court than what we see today. In 1948, out of 58 member states of the United Nations, 34, including 4 out of 5 permanent members of the Security Council, recognized the compulsory jurisdiction of the court. Some 59% of the UN membership at that time, as compared to today's rate of 34%. 67 states, including only 1 of the 5 permanent members of the Security Council, out of 193 member states.
Then states the just application of the rule.
Sanctions remain an important tool in the maintenance and restoration of international peace and security. The Council has stressed the need to ensure that sanctions are carefully targeted in support of clear objectives and designed carefully so as to minimize possible adverse consequences and are implemented by member states. The Council is committed to fair and clear procedures for placing individuals and entities on sanctions lists and for removing them, as well as for granting humanitarian exemptions.
Member state for their valuable contribution.
Respect for the rule of law also demands full compliance with the principles of equality before the law, equal protection of the law, and the prohibition of discrimination on any ground, such as race, color, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, disability, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status.
It means so much to the people out there. It could mean an identity card for a woman. It may need that you have judges that you can trust. It means that you have institutions that work. And if you have that, you have also an insurance, not an insurance, but at least a step forward in preventing conflicts to relapse again. And have a good day.
Thank you.